In this video, I will show you how to make a blog using Hostinger Website Builder. Hostinger's Builder is perfect for making your blog because it's incredibly beginner friendly since no coding is required. Plus, with Hostinger handling your security and performance, your blog will be secure and fast to load, helping it rank higher on Google. I found that building your blog using Hostinger Website Builder ensures a smooth and enjoyable experience for your visitors. Here's what you learn in this video. We'll start with the homepage. First, I added a sticky bar to drive traffic to my important page, which is my subscribe page. This sticky bar is also optimized for mobile devices. Next, there's a navigation menu featuring a catchy freebies button directing visitors to the same subscribe page. Below that, a large hiking photo visually represents the blog's topic, complemented by a free hiking checklist button that also drives traffic to my subscribe page. It's beneficial to have a blog subscribe page because having contact information from even just 100 people can give you a competitive edge. For instance, when you publish a YouTube video, having a direct audience to share it with can significantly boost your views. The same principle applies when launching a new product or creating a new social media profile. Having an engaged email list can greatly enhance your reach and impact. Best of all, you only need to set up your subscribe page once and it continues to benefit you over time. Following that, you'll see the latest articles from my blog. I also included a section displaying my latest Instagram posts to enhance my social media presence. Additionally, there's a contact section to facilitate easy communication with visitors. At the bottom of my homepage, you will find the footer with my social media profiles, contact email, and legal pages. The blog page showcases the latest articles and an optional image section. For the contact page, I used a straightforward form that sends emails notifications for each submission, along with other contact methods and a Google Maps location for online business needs. Here's the subscribe page I mentioned earlier. I created this form using Mailchimp and embedded it here. With my Mailchimp account, I can set it up so that every new subscriber automatically receives my hiking checklist by email. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this blog. By the end of this video, you will be able to use the Hostinger website builder to create a blog like this or even better. This video took multiple days to record, so giving it a like would mean the world to me. Without any further ado, let's dive into creating this blog using Hostinger Website Builder. Go to Website Builder, then click on Hostinger Website Builder. Scroll down a little bit. As you can see, Hostinger offers two website builder plans, the premium and the business. Both plans gives you the free domain, free email, drag and drop editor, 150 templates, marketing integrations, mobile editing, and a money-back guarantee and customer support. Features that are only available in the business plan are these AI tools, which are essentials for your blog work. Since these AI tools are only available with the business, so I recommend you to go with the business plan. Click on Choose Plan. In this step, you need to select how much you want your first subscription to be. You can go with 1 year, 2 years, or 4 years. With the 4 years, you get 3 months for free. And also, the renewal price is a little bit cheaper compared to 2 years or just 1 year. After that, fill in your email address and password to create your account. In this payment step, you can fill in your personal information, but since they are optional, you can skip them. Now verify that the total amount you will pay is correct. Then fill in your credit card information. After that, click on Submit Secure Payment. If you want to pay with PayPal, you can select it from here. Then click on this button, Submit Secure Payment. After completing your payment, you will be redirected again to your Hostinger account. From the top of the homepage of your account, click on Websites, then click on Add Website. Select Hostinger Website Builder. We are now in Hostinger Website Builder. To start creating your blog, click on Start Creating. Select your website type. In our case, we will go with blog. Give your blog a name, for example, Ben's Adventures. And for the description, all you need to do is to describe your blog topic like you are describing it for a web designer or a web developer. For example, you can say, create me a hiking blog. For the home page, I want it to start with the ebook download form, latest posts, about me, and a contact me section. My target audience is the US. For your description, you can either write it with your keyboard or use your Mac to describe it. For the microphone, it only works with English. This is my description. As you can see, my description is great. You can also see an example of a description to get inspiration. Under personalization settings, you can select your colors. You can, if your brand already have a color code need to follow, you can either select it here from here manually or select from these colors. I will go with surprise me. Now hit create a website. And this is the result I got using my prompt. It is not exactly how I describe it, but it is close enough to start with. With some small editing, it will be exactly how I want it. If you just go to your Hostinger account, your free domain name will be automatically connected with your blog. In my case, I need to do it manually. So click on this long link, then connect domain button. Fill in your domain name. In my case, it's benstestinghosting.com. As you can see, it is owned by me. Click again on next. And as you can see, my domain name is now connected successfully. I was able to do it quickly because my domain name, which is Ben's Testing Hosting, was already pointing to Hostinger name servers. If your domain name is not pointing to Hostinger name servers, it is simple. All you need to do, go to your where your domain name is registered. It can be, for example, GoDaddy, Bluehost, or Namecheap. Log into your account, then go to domain settings, then look for name servers and replace your current one with these two name servers and hit save and wait some hours. Now go back to Hostinger Builder. Let's test if my domain is working as it should be. Go to Ben's testing. As you can see, I have an error with certification. With certification, I mean the HTTPS certification or the SSL certification. All I need to do is to just wait to completely connecting my domain name. To edit your blog header, all you need to do is to click on the header section. I will start my editing by adding a sticky bar that forward my blog visitors to my ebook free download page. Click on add sticky bar. As you can see here, you can put your text, double click on it and paste. This is my text. To make this bold, I will click on bold. To make this download my checklist part clickable, all I need to do is to first copy my download page link and select this part and hit paste with my computer. For example, you can go to edit, then paste. As you can see, now my link is clickable. To verify it, all I need to do is to click on this preview button. And this is my sticky bar. As you can see, even with the scroll down, it still stick to the top. Now what I want to do is to stop the header from being sticky to the top. I want only this sticky bar to stick to the top. To do that, just go back to the editor, select the header section and click on edit header. Next, to make header sticky, I need to disable this option. Now as you can see, my changes are automatically saved. Click on preview, and now only the sticky bar is sticking to the top. And go back to the editing, click on header. As you can see, there are many settings you can play with to edit your header. You can edit the top and bottom spacing. You can also edit the placement of your heading. You can also add elements or hide elements like the logo, social icons, and a button. I will keep this button here showing because it helps a lot with marketing. For example, you can forward people with to your shop, for example, or to your newsletter, or to something free to catch their emails. It's important to have an easy to notice button on the top of your website. Now you can to replace your logo, you can select or you can upload it from your computer, or you can play with the style of the header, button, and social icons. I will go with button. I will edit the text. For example, I will make a freebies page. Link to, I will select it later, and I want it to open in the same tab. As you can see, you can play also with your text color and font and size. Always save your changes and preview them live. The sticky bar is only what sticks to the top, and my header now is a little bit shorter from the top to the bottom, and I have as an easy to notice button. Now what I need to do is to replace this background video. What I need to do is to select first this section, click on edit section. As you can see, you can select between a video, an image, or a color. I will go with an image. Click replace image. You can either upload your photo from your computer, select one from your library, or search for it in the Unsplash library, which is free to use. I will look for hiking, and this is an image I want to use. You can play with the overlay opacity, hit exit. Let's delete these elements. Top rated hiking block for you. I will also delete it. As you can see, you can place your element wherever you need. I will hiking trails and tips for your next adventure in the US. This button, it should be here. I will edit this button to also redirect people to my free checklist. For example, I will free hiking checklist. I will make it a little bit bigger. Style, text size, free hiking checklist. For the link, I will fix the link after creating a new free download page. I don't need this form, so I will delete it. Moving to the next section. As you can see, it is a latest post section. What I want to do is to edit the number of columns. Now it is on 2. I will turn it to 3. Now my next blog post will be displayed right here. I want to also hide this publishing date, so click first on this section, click on edit block list, then go to style. As you can see, the date published, I will hide it just like that. You can also hide the description. I will go with just blog post photo and the title and the reading time. Moving to the next section. I don't know the goal of this section, so I will replace it with an Instagram feed element. First, I will delete these elements and I will add a new element which is an Instagram feed. Let's make it bigger, and now click on edit feed in order to connect your Instagram to start showing your latest photos. Let's move to the next section. As you can see, it has a form, a little bit of text and an image. What I will do is to first edit this text to contact me, connect with me to stay updated on the latest hiking trips. I will modify it or edit it to connect with me using this form. Then I will edit this form in order to replace the fields, the download field with first name. Field label, I will call it name. Enter your name. Field is required. For the button, I will edit the button text to send me your message. Now close this window. As you can see, the name is required. Same thing with the email address and the message. Contact me, or everything is good. Then we have our footer. What I need to edit in the footer is the blog title, explore the greatest outdoor. I can also edit my social networks links. To edit your Facebook page, click on edit and then fill in your Facebook link. If you want to delete a social icon, you can click on little circle and hit select. You can also play with the size of the icons. Connect. Here I will put my email, bensexperience.com. I will delete this text and now reach. What I will do is I will delete this section. Here I will add the legal pages text. Now, before saving and previewing my updated homepage, I will first make a last look. As you can see, my logo is still in text. I can edit it with an image. You can upload it from here, make it on Photoshop, for example, and upload it from your computer. This task is simple to do. This latest post section needs a big title, something like latest post, to make my website more readable. Since I can't add a text element here, I will bypass it by adding section, a blank section, then resizing its height, then add a text element, and just like that. Same thing with my Instagram feed. I need a text element, so I will write something like follow me on IG. My contact me section is correct, so I will hit save, then preview. My title and menu is correct. The sticky bar is in its place. I have my edited button here. My latest posts are showing as I wanted. Same thing with the IG feed. the contact form or contact section, then the footer. Now I think I can go live. Before I go live, I want to see my website on mobile. As you can see, the sticky bar is showing great. My free hiking checklist button needs some editing. In order to correct it just on mobile, I will go back to the editor, make sure that I am in the mobile version. Editing the button size is directly just like that. Now I need to place it here, then select the text and edit the text size. Then hit save. My latest post should be placed a little bit closer to the actual posts. Now the Instagram feed or this should be on the top of the Instagram feed. This explore button should be deleted. Now the contact form is showing great. Let's verify again on the desktop version to make sure that everything is in its place. I think everything is good, so I can go live. And now my website is live. Now that my website is live and my domain name is working great, it's time to add a favicon to this blog. Favicon is this little icon that we see in the corner of the browser tab. To add a favicon, all you need to do is to click on this website settings, then go to general settings, click on favicon, then upload it from your computer. If you don't have one, you can create it using this little website. The website name is favicon.io. Just go to generator. In my case, my website is Ben's Adventures. I will go with just the letter B. For the color, I will go with the black and white. So click on this download button. It is downloaded as a zip file. Decompress it. Then upload it to your media library. Select it. Then hit save. And always update your website to see your modifications live. View site. As you can see, my favicon is added successfully. Legal pages that your blog should have are the privacy policy and the terms and conditions. To create the privacy policy page, all you need to do is to click on Pages and Navigation, click on Add Page, then select Privacy Policy. Select one, fill in your company name. In my case, it's Ben's Adventures LLC. Click Add Page. Now click on Save. As you can see, my privacy policy is added successfully. Now click on Save. Now do the same thing with the terms and conditions. Pages navigation. Click on Add Page. Select Terms and Conditions and select it. Fill in your company name and add page. Click on Save. To hide these two pages from the top menu, just go to Pages and Navigations and drag and move them to the bottom. As you can see, they don't show anymore in this menu. Click on Save. Now what I need to do is to add them first to the footer of the page. Now click on Add Element, select text and drag and drop it here. Click on edit text first, then write terms and conditions. This text should not be a heading, it should be a paragraph and in the white color. Now place it here and link it to the page, the terms and conditions. Click on save, duplicate this one, edit it, privacy policy, select the link to the page, privacy policy page, save, then click update website, view site, and as you can see my legal pages are added to my website. To add a new contact page, it's simple. All you need to do is to go to pages and navigation, then click on add a page. As you can see, you can choose between different templates. Let's test this one. Click on save. I need first to edit my information. benzexperience.com. Straight opening hour. To edit this map location, all you need to do is to click on edit map and fill in your exact address, and it will be showing here. Then click on update website. Now what I need to do is to delete the original contact page. To do that, go to pages and navigations, click on this little circle next to the old contact page and hit delete. Now go back to the new contact page and modify the URL from contact1 to just contact. Hit save, then update your website. Click on contact, and as you can see, now we are using the new contact page. To add a new blog post to your blog, all you need to do is to click on these little three dots or website settings, then go to blog. As you can see, these two are my current published blog posts. To add a new one, click on add new post. You can either write it using AI or write it yourself. For this video, I will go writing it using AI. For the tone of voice, I want it to be casual. For the length of the article, I want it to be between 300 and 500 words. For the blog post description, I will go with write me 7 tips for hiking in rain. I want this blog post to be shareable on social media. Hit create content, and this is the result of my prompt to write a 7 tips for hiking in rain. Let's see the quality. Wear waterproof gear, choose the right trail, pack smart, layer up, keep your balance, stay hydrated and energized, and respect nature. I think this blog post is right. To publish this blog post, go to status, click on it to make it public. Always update your website. View my site, go to blog. As you can see, it is added in my blog page and it is now live. To edit this blog post URL, all you need to do is to go to post settings, copy your post title and use it for your URL. Click on save, then update your website. View your site, go to blog. As you can see, my blog post URL is updated. Adding categories to your blog can be done two ways. First, you can do it from the blog post page by going to post settings, then categories. Click on select categories, and since you have none, you can add new categories. For example, a chips category. Click on save, then update your site. It can also be done from the blog settings. First, click on these little three dots, then go to blog, then click on this little circle. As you can see, my chips category is already added, and I can add a news category. Then close this window and update your website. To select a category for your blog post, all you need to do is to go to post settings, to categories, select category, and select, for example, news. As you can see, this blog post is added to tips and also news. Then click on update website. As we all know, Google Analytics gives you insights into your blog's user behavior, traffic sources, and content engagement. In order to connect your Google Analytics with Hostinger website builder, it's simple. All you need to do is to click on these little three dots or website settings, go to integrations, then click on connect and fill in your Google Analytics ID. In order to have a Google Analytics ID, you need to create an account on Google Analytics website. To visit Google Analytics, just go to analytics.google.com. Then log in to your Google account. If you don't have one, you need to create it. Then click on Start Measuring. Give your account a name, for example, Ben's Adventures. Check Google products and services and uncheck the other options. Click on Next. Give your property a name, for example, it can also be Ben's Adventures blog. Select your reporting time zone and currency. Click Next. For the industry category, it is required and it is also important to select the closest one or the exact one to your site, because after that you will start seeing comparisons between your site and competitors in the same industry. In my case, I will go with travel. My business size is small. Choose your business objectives. Google generate leads, drive online sales. Yes, I want to generate leads, drive online sales. I'm not interested in driving online sales. Raise brand awareness. No. Examine user behavior. Yes. Get baseline report. No. Click on I accept. Scroll down a little bit, then accept again, then hit the I accept button. My platform is a website. My website URL is Ben's test. My URL is benstestinghosting.com. My website Ben's Adventures. Then click on create and continue. And this is my Google Analytics ID. Click on copy, then go back to Hostinger and hit save. As you can see, data collection is pending. Click on continue to home and check all and save. Close this window, dismiss this top bar. Now you should receive your first report in the next 24 hours. If Google Analytics gives you numbers, Hotjar gives you numbers and also video recordings of what your blog's visitors do while browsing your blog. This is one of my Hotjar account linked with one of my blogs. As you can see, the majority of my website's visitors are coming from European countries or French-speaking countries. Yesterday was 12th of July. my Hotjar account recorded me all of these sessions, as you can see, and more. I can see the dates, the original country, the session durations, and also the devices and the landing page. This is a good session to review. As you can see, it is like a YouTube video. You have a video player bar, a play and pause buttons. So let's play this session. This is the video or the visitor mouse icon. I think now he will scroll. He started scrolling. Every pause means that the visitor is reading something. If your blog visitors scroll over something, this means that he's not interested with this section. So you can remove it if you want. Let's jump this to this part. This is my affiliate buttons to Amazon. Let's review another recording. As you can see, this is the trajectory of the blog or the blog visitor mouse. He is now reading this table. I think in this area of the video he clicked on this link, and now another browser tab was opened. Then he returned to my site. I think he is reading this table. And that's all. For the session information, you can see them from this corner. As you can see, it is coming from desktop using Safari browser on a Macintosh computer. For the referral, it was coming from google.com. Now let's see how to do the exact thing with your blog on Hostinger website builder. First, click on these little three dots or website settings. Then click on integrations. Next to Hotjar, click on connect. Now you need to fill in your Hotjar site ID. To have one, you need to create an account with Hotjar. To visit Hotjar website, you can use my affiliate link, which is bensexperience.com/Hotjar. Using this link will definitely support me to create more content like this. So thank you. And if you need any help with Hotjar or Hostinger website builder, feel free to reach me out at ben@bensexperience.com and I will help you with your blog. Click on get started from the top. You can sign up using your Google account or manually. Click on accept the terms and hit get started. Now check your email for this code. This is the code you need to copy, then paste. What's your organization name? Now fill in your exact website. Click on next. As you can see, you have a 15-day free trial. After that, you can choose between paying or staying to the free version of Hotjar. Got it? This is your site ID. Go back to Hostinger website builder and paste your site ID and hit save. Now every visit session will be recorded as we've just seen with my personal account. If you want to optimize your blog SEO in order to start getting traffic from search engines like Google and Bing or Yahoo. First, we will check the Hostinger SEO settings to better understand how it works. As you can see, we can only optimize our pages or product pages. If you have an online store, you will see your products listed here and you can work on them using these features or tools. Since my blog does not have a product or a shop, I will go with SEO optimizing my pages. As you can see, I can't target a keyword using my privacy policy, contact or terms and conditions pages. As you can see, the blog articles are not available here to optimize. So what we should do is to create pages dedicated to our target keywords. I am now inside Uber Suggest, which is a keyword research tool, and I will start my research with something like best hiking. The language is English and the location is US. Now looking for an easy keyword with some traffic. As you can see from these columns have lots of traffic, but at the same time they are not easy to rank for. So what I will do is to first select easy as my SEO difficulty to only see easy keywords. From my experience, when I see a volume of more than 1000 for a keyword, I know that it is not easy to rank, especially that our blog is still new. So what we need to do is to modify the volume to under 1000 volume. Now what I'm looking for is product keyword. Best hiking gloves. Let's look on Google what appears. Outdoor life is a known old blog. Same thing with outdoor gear lab, RIE. So we will not rank for this keyword. What I recommend you to do is to look for long tail keywords. By long tails, I mean long phrases. I think this is a good keyword. Best hiking jackets for cold weather. I will look in Google. I will search for the word hiking weather to see where it appears. As you can see, the first results does not talk about the cold weather jackets. The Reddit is already targeting this keyword. This article from Outdoor Life only mentioned the keyword inside the articles and not targeting it in the title. Dick's Sporting Goods, they are optimized for this keyword. I think there are not lots of articles in the first page of Google targeting best hiking jackets for Google for cold weather. So I will go with this keyword. I think I will go with the blank page or an empty page. Then I will add my elements myself. I will put here the title, which is best hiking jackets. Make it bigger. Click on edit text. The heading should be H1 in order to be optimized for SEO. I want this text to be centered. Then my blog posts. Let's go to Amazon.com. Look for best hiking jacket for cold weather. This is the 3 or the 4 products I will promote. Instead of reading all these ratings in order to get helpful information about this product, I have a Chrome extension that will extract these reviews for me. Then I will use ChatGPT to create a product review based on these reviews. This is the Chrome extension I will use to extract Amazon reviews. Now go back to the Amazon product page and click on download 100 review. This is the reviews I will use. Copy them. Then go back to GPT. Paste your reviews and write, please write me a product review based on the reviews above. As you can see, I got an overview, key features, user experiences, which is good for SEO. Google nowadays love user experiences, pros and cons, and a conclusion. First, I will copy this text, go back to Hostinger, then paste it just like that. Move the pros and cons to the top. Make this wider. Don't forget to use a photo. For the photo, I will get it from Amazon. Replace image, upload file, and this is my photo. Select it, and it is updated. Then resize it from this corner. Click on edit text, double click the text, and give this title or this product a heading 2, because our blog post title had the H1, the second title should be H2. Hiking jacket, make it longer and a little bit smaller. Now place this here, then this center. As you can see, now we have our first product review. Repeat the same with the second product, then the third product. I need to edit this page. Click on edit page. I forgot my video. Hi. I will use AI from this place. I will use AI to create a unique image, for example. Or I will go, since I don't want to lose my free credits, I will go with the free images using Unsplash service. I will go with hiking jacket. This is a good photo. Of course, I still need to add buttons and affiliate links to these products. I think that's enough for this section of the video. If you want me to do more, to talk more about SEO, especially for Hostinger website builder, let me know in the comments below, and I will do a full dedicated video just for Hostinger builder SEO. Now I will go back to website settings, then SEO settings, and I will find this is my page. I think I should give it something to differentiate. I will go to pages. This page, I will give it a name. I don't know how to give it a name. Make homepage, rename. Best hiking jacket for cold weather. Hit save. To hide it from this website menu, I will move it down to hidden from navigation. Now what I need to do is to go back to SEO settings. This is my page. To optimize your page, it's simple. You need to give it a title. I've already done that. For the meta description which is shown right here in Google, for example, it is not set yet, and the keywords. So I will click on generate new SEO info using AI. Describe what your page. I think that's enough. Next step, select three keywords, weather. Next, as you can see, description or meta description contains my targeted keyword, which is best hiking jacket for cold weather. Click on finish. After that, you can hide this page from search results, which I will not do. Focus keyword. I will go with best hiking jacket. Should include a focus keyword, best hiking jacket. I don't know best hiking jackets. I think this I don't know why it should be green. To check that, I think this S is as you can see now my article shows for a green check for SEO. Now what I need to do is to close this window. The last thing to optimize this page for SEO is to give it an internal backlink. Or I will go to blogging, go to this post. What I'm looking is a place to include my link, best hiking jackets makes sense. Invest in a good quality waterproof jacket and pants. What I will invest in a good in a good jacket for rain. What I'm trying to avoid is to not have a backlinks with the exact match keyword in order to not look suspicious for Google. So I will use this phrase, good jacket for rain, which is similar or close to our targeted keyword. Now I will go to link. I want to link to a page. Then select your page from this list. This is my page, best hiking jacket for cold weather. Hit save. Now update your website. Let's view my site. Go to blog. Click on my latest blog post. Now I have a link up or a backlink linking to my SEO optimized page. And that's how to optimize your a page in Hostinger Website Builder for SEO. If you want to monitor your blog's performance in Google search results with something like this, for example, seeing the queries that are sending you traffic to your blog, also the most visited page from Google, or the countries that your most visitors are coming from, you need to use something called Google Search Console. It is a free tool from Google. All you need to do is to connect it with your Hostinger Builder website. To create your Google Search Console account, first look for Google Search Console, then hit the first result. Click on Start Now, add a new property, select URL prefix. Now fill in your domain name. I will copy it directly from the browser. It is important to go with URL prefix and not domain in order to have an easy verification method. Instead of verifying with uploading an HTML file, we will use HTML tag. Now click on copy, head back to Hostinger Builder, click on website settings, then integrations. Under custom code, paste your code and hit save. As you can see, my modifications are saved. Now it is important to click on update website for this code to go live and hit verify under HTML tag. After the first failed attempts, I only waited a minute and I tried to verify again, and my ownership are verified successfully. Now go to property, and as you can see, this is your new Google Search Console platform. A small little thing that you need to do in order to make your website indexation faster is to add your blog sitemap to Google Search Console. For Hostinger website builder, it's simply your website domain name slash sitemap.xml. Hit save, and this is your sitemap. Go back, or you can fill it manually. Sitemap.xml. Click on submit. Your sitemap submitted successfully. Now, any new page on your blog, it will be automatically sent for Google Search Console to index it quickly. To see your performance, just click on this performance tab and you will start seeing your blog data just like this one, with queries that are sending traffic to your site, pages that are visited, and also countries.